Sound machine creates natural white noise. Soothing sound of moving air blocks disturbing background noises. Creates an ideal environment for restful sleep. Fully adjustable tone and volume. Great for restful night sleep, babies' rooms, concentration or confidential conversations. The secret is the soothing sound of white noise. Sleep Easy Sound Therapy naturally recreates the calming sound of moving air to block out disturbing background noises and create a relaxed, comforting environment so you can fall asleep and stay asleep. Great for restless sleepers, babies' rooms, and more. Simply plug it in and turn it on. Volume and tone are fully adjustable to your exact needs and pleasure. Compact design conveniently sits on nightstands or desktops.